Howdy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to have a video on how I pot up my pepper plants and how I separate them. So let's get started. Now this is the jalapeno M peppers I grew. So they're ready to start transferring. I always let them grow about 3 or 4 inches before I start to pot them up. Usually, sometimes a little bit smaller than that, but you can see inside all the roots that are inside this thing. I'm fixing to separate all these and pot them up. To get them out, I just shake the whole thing out. Well, I say that, but here they are. This is just potting soil, so it should come apart pretty easy. Just tease it apart and all this soil will fall out and peppers start falling free. This is the easiest way to grow your peppers if you really grow a lot of them and have a confined space. But it's time consuming when it comes to taking them apart and all, but you can grow a lot more faster and have a lot of space. So probably not going to not use that one. But now I just take a pot like this one right here. Now these are 2-liter drink bottles. I cut them off like this, what I use, and put a tag on the front of them. Put a tag on the front of them what pepper they are. This is the way I sell them at the flea markets. So that's ready. I have to fertilize it in a minute. That's all it is to potting these up. It's just a little time consuming, but it's the way I've been doing it for 10 years. It's really pretty simple to do it this way. Now, you could use a 72 cell tray and grow them, but you have to have a lot of space if you're growing a lot of peppers like I am, as many as I am. I know there's probably about 1,200, probably at least 1,200 pepper plants here, maybe more than that. And all of them have to be separated just like that and potted up. Now after I get all these potted up, I put them under these grow lights for a short time, for about 3 or 4 weeks. Let them get used to being transferred and start growing in these pots. Then I'll put them out in my greenhouse. I'll have a video about that later. So, but once you get through potting them up like this, I have some organic fertilizer here, dry amendment fertilizer that I use. This is a Spoma Garden Tone, and no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. So, I've been using this for this organic garden tone for probably about 15 years, I guess. Fertilizer. That's all there is to it. Just water a little, and there it is. It's ready to go. That's the way they'll be sold, just like that. Well, they'll be a lot bigger. You'll see them later on in the video. They'll be a lot larger than this, a lot bigger. So, okay. If you liked the short video, like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. Until next time.